Joey Lieberman Network 2024. Who was Joey Lieberman? Joseph Isidore Lieberman as an American politician and lawyer who served as a United States Senator from Connecticut from 1989 to 2013. Joey Lieberman biography. Joey Lieberman was born in 1942 in Stamford, Connecticut. Lieberman received a Bachelor of Arts in both Political Science and Economics from Yale University in 1964 and was the first member of his family to graduate from college. At Yale, he was editor of the Yale Daily News and member of Elihu Club. Lieberman attended Yale Law School and received a Bachelor of Law degree in 1967. After graduating from law school, Lieberman worked as an attorney at the New Haven-based law firm Begin and Dana L. Joey Lieberman career. Joey Lieberman was elected as a Reform Democrat in 1970 to the Connecticut Senate, where he served 3 terms as Majority Leader. After an unsuccessful bid for the U.S. House of Representatives in 1980, he served as the Connecticut Attorney General from 1983 to 1989. He narrowly defeated Republican Party incumbent Lowell Weicker in 1988 to win election to the U.S. Senate and was re-elected in 1994, 2000 and 2006. He was the Democratic Party nominee for Vice President in the 2000 presidential election, running with presidential nominee and then Vice President A.I. Gore, and becoming the first Jewish candidate on a U.S. major party presidential ticket. In the 2016 election, he supported Hillary Clinton for president, and in 2020, he supported Joe Biden for president. Joey Lieberman Network 2024. According to online sources, Joey Lieberman net worth is estimated to be $3 million.
Thanks for watching this video. I request to you do like, share and subscribe.